Another day in downtown Porto.
The Ponte Luis is the place to go for your photos, I reckon.
Yeah, it's really beautiful bridge with great views of the city.
It's quite fun watching the trams go past every 5 minutes and people dodging out of the way.
You'll see a few people get in the middle, as I did. Now we're going to a palace. We're looking for a palace.
We're going to try and find the Palace Bolsa, which I think is the old town hall and maybe old stock exchange.
Suddenly a bit of peace and calm in Porto down this little side street. It's lovely. Very, you know, it's a typical city, busy, full of tourists, but this street was just all calm and complete opposite to what you'd expect
Really
Porto
nice.
to be, or any city really. Yeah.
It was very pretty.
Colourful buildings. Yeah.
Yeah. I like the little plants outside everyone's houses, and it just looked more, I don't know, calming. We found the palace just behind us.
It was 20 euros, 10 euros each. We probably could have got most students, so you know, it's not bad.
Asked us if we were students. That like made my day.
But yeah, it was a good tour. Very grand buildings. Lots of blingy walls and paintings of each of the presidents and kings and queens.
I like the courthouse as well. That was nice. Good. I'd say worth the tour.
Yeah.
And we just walked in and bought the ticket inside. There was no need to book online before. And now we can have some lunch.
Now we can have some lunch in the, I don't know where we are.
We're outside
Square.
Yeah.
Nice looking square outside the building. Lots of benches.
Perfect.
Good for packed lunch.
Always pack a lunch.
Good packed lunch spot. Lovely quiche. Packed lunch and travel. Porto quiche style.
I just realised that we still haven't had a custard tart or had any port. We are slacking in the whole visiting Porto department.
Well, I've seen plenty of places you can get a custard tart. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the tart, but I'm sure you'll help us out.
I can like it enough for both of us, it's fine.
We're just on the River Douro, apparently.
I think that's right. Is it?
We're just taking a stroll down the river. Got some nice music playing. Quite a chilled atmosphere down here.
It's really nice.
Nice weather. It's all good.
There's a lovely view of the river with the bridges, and there's lots of cafes and really colourful buildings. It's lovely down here.
Good Porto vibes, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely. Pastel De Nata is a true Portuguese symbol found in the four corners of the world. Fortunately, you don't need to go any further to eat yours. Oh! Now, I have read that this is the place to buy the nata. I can't believe how cute this little box is. Look at that. It's still warm. Oh. Fresh baked on the River Douro. I've never had one of these before. This is very exciting.
What sort of flavour is it?
Oh wow.
Just custard.
It's vanilla-y. It's custard, yeah. It's sweet but not like crazy sweet. And the pastry is so yum. It's like sweet flaky pastry.
Try a bit of that. Surprising. That's better than I thought it'd be.
Oh, are you a convert?
Yeah, maybe I am.
Oh,
That's shocking.
that is shocking,
I didn't think I
folks.
like it one bit.
Wow, that's how good the natas
So that's
are
how good it is.
in Porto.
Top quality nata in Porto. Maybe have another bite.
He's going in again. Oh. So Ben just got roped in to do a little Instagram photo shoot there.
Yeah.
Porto Cathedral is clearly the place that everybody comes to get their content.
You might use one or two for some pens and pencils, maybe
Do you think it's for stationery?
stationery stuff.
That's a lot of stationery.
You can spend hours looking at all the details and still wouldn't even see half of it.
No, definitely not.
But a beautiful Porto Cathedral, full of lovely details and bling gold.
I'd say it's worth the €3 entry fee, especially on a soggy day. Just somewhere nice to walk around. Yeah, really good time. There's a tiny little box of all different ones, look.
Oh, should we get that?
Ooh, do you think we should get that? Tiny little
We
ones.
can do a little taste of each
We'll
one.
get up the Amazon port, won't we? Special edition. Beautifully packaged selection of official Porto ports. I literally know nothing about port. Do you know anything about port?
No, absolutely nothing.
Okay, so this is going to be good. We'll start with the fine white.
Is that what we're proposing?
That's what they do. Okay, good start.
Not much taste to that one.
Really?
There's
That's
a bit of
surprising.
an after kick to it.
Smells like sherry to me. It's alright, I'd give it maybe a 6. Port number 2. This is... It's called Fine Tawny.
Tawny.
Tawny, like an owl.
Tawny owl.
Can't. It smells the same to me. What did I give you on one?
6.
I'd give that a 7. You look like such a pro.
I'd take an average 6.
Fine ruby. Lovely.
Yeah, that one seems got a nice little kick to it.
How's that?
An 8.
Ooh, jumped from 6 to an 8 with the ruby. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that one. I'd give that an 8 as well. Bottled vintage?
Tasting number 4.
Cool, blimey. That's strong, isn't it? Too much vintage on it.
I'd drop it to a 7.
I think I might go to a 7 on that. A 10-year-old port? It says Tawny Port. 10-year-old, bloody hell. They've had this for 10 years.
Is that how long it's been in the shop? 10 years.
10 years in.
2012, this first sat in that shop. 10 years later, it's in this grand apartment for grand testing.
Oh my gosh. I can hardly bear it to wait.
And it doesn't look promising. Because
No?
it's very much like that second one.
Is it? Oh.
And I've not tasted it yet. Ah! It should have stayed in the shop. A 2 out of 10.
Yeah, it's not as good.
There's the winner. 8 out of 10.
All round, 8 out of 10.
If you've enjoyed this 24 hours in Porto video,
There's loads more good content to come, where we'll be drinking and tasting other things probably, and getting lost everywhere
Yeah,
like we
so-
normally do.
do us a big favour, hit that subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you in the mountains.
That is crazy epic, isn't it?